What's up, YouTube? Danny here. Still early in the day. It's 7:30, 10:30 market time. This is the time where I cut my trading. Um, and quick review on a trade that I took today. Uh, I know I mentioned yesterday, if you watch the video from yesterday, I mentioned that I saw the market not like at least Facebook not showing any strength, but everything changed pre-market when we had this big push right up here. It kind of caught my attention because we had this channel down. I mean, I'm not saying it's not gonna. I mean, as we speak right now, the market is pushing down. But Facebook started to show. This is what I look for on reversals here, and it is stronger. Like at least today, Facebook it's a little stronger, way stronger than the market. So the plan was this. The plan was this. Let me see if I could. How do I do it? Okay, so this is what I posted in chat. When I saw this, I was happy, I was excited, but I had two plans. The first was the long, because I always have, for the most part, a short and a long plan. So what I saw was we opened right around here, and I saw this level here right around 173, this line here, and 171 to 173. And knew there was going to be some sort of support. And if you notice that we're making higher high, we started making a higher high, lower high, or higher low, and then higher high, and it's coming down. So the obvious thing for the price to do is to make a higher high. But I also knew that there was going to be some sort of I mean, short right here defending it. So what I was looking for, the plan was to, if it pushed up with speed and distance, I want to short here for a push down. If it pushed down to this level, or if it pushed down, I wanted Facebook to set a base like a double bottom or a higher low, higher high, reclaim VWAP to take it to the long side. And if we go back to what happened today, right? It didn't push up. I was waiting for it up here for a short. Instead, it pushed down. It came down, uh, lower high, lower low, and it kind of like double bottomed here. My plan, I wanted this to push all the way down to this level to potentially look for a long. They didn't do that. It started basing here. And so what I like to do when I go long, I don't like. Sometimes I don't get the best average. Uh, I'll be honest, because I mean, if I would have went short right around here, I would have caught a bigger move. But I have a hard time. Like, believe it or not, I have a hard time going long. Uh, I'm more of a short bias um, uh, trader, but I that doesn't mean I don't take long. So I back tested it, and what works for me and it's safer until I get until I feel more comfortable taking the longs. What I like to look for is once it starts spacing, I want a higher high, a push down, so higher high, higher low, and then go long, right? Once the Facebook or price starts setting a base here, and that's what I look for on the daily as well. When for pullback or reversals. Anyway, so we pushed up, reclaimed VWAP. I was still not doing anything. Came back down here. This is where I wanted to take a long with a stop if it broke this trend line. Um, but this candle happened really fast, so I waited to see what was going to happen. It came down, and then I took a long right here once it started holding, and I sold right up here. So it's not a big move, but still, I mean, it is $1.50, and these are the executions here. Um, Once again, small size until I get comfortable. But to be honest, I think I'm going to go back and open my what's it called, Cobra trading account to go back to equities because I don't know. I'm uh, thinking about just going back to equities. I like options, but they're a little more difficult, to be honest. But anyways, these are the executions. Bought a call and then sold a 10-12, which is right around here. And that's it. And this is what I called a VWAP reclaim trade. All right, guys. So it wasn't just this. It was also I also played the 15 minute and the daily, and if you guys notice that I'm buying because there's support, not just because of this, right? So this helps. This is like my confirmation, but this is where this kind of gets my catches my attention to look for a long. All right, stay safe, guys. Later.